No need to say thanks.
So, can we become friends again?
You were always my friend, Panther. It's just, you thought I am your enemy.
I don't know what to say.
So will you help me? Devil is too strong. I can't defeat him alone. If you will be with me, maybe we could stop Devil.
All right, I will help you.
Go to heaven and meet God and convince him to interfere in this.
But you were in heaven. Why did you not tell God about the devil?
Don't ask questions. Just do what I say.
Okay, fine.
Meanwhile,
Now you are in my place, my element. Now no one can save you. Let me go. It's your end.
I am still here.
Interesting. You got your body back. Save me.
Don't worry, I am here now.
Don't dare to interfere.
Let's go now.
Thanks for saving me, but is Gorgon really dead?
Shout out to